Tie it again. Tie it up.
I don't think we're doing anything over the rail again.
Yeah, untie it.
Untie it.
And then tie it again. Okay. What? You know, Christian, why since you? That's a pretty angry rope shit, man. So I need to go up there. I think we all do. We can't pull it over the rail.
No. There's 3 on the deck.
Huh?
Everybody up here.
Deck.
Oh. Keep it on, guys. All y'all tell me the same thing. Good job.
Up.
And as long as we're all on the same page with telling you what to do.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I think with 3 of us on the deck, we can do it. We don't need a backup.
Yeah. But I ain't the backup.
Yeah.
Me. I'm not cold.
No problem.
I know you're doing it on purpose.
What?
Okay, see.
What? Oh, nothing. You're doing what on purpose?
I was throwing the boat right on his head.
Like, wait, what am I doing?
Everything and nothing.
Where the rope wasn't me this time.
Nope.
No, I do it often, but it wasn't me.
Well, until
Yep. That was a big fucking tree though. Yep. You're coming down here too. You have to.
It needs to be done. You need to make a show.
Yep, we need to make show.
So, Pete, I'm probably going to want you standing in front of the door over here. Because the way I want it is the rope landing on top of the tree itself. It'll be awkward.
I gotta look. Oh, alright.
So I'm going to wedge it here, back cut here. Now as it's starting to go, pull my saw off. I got to finish with my handsaw do, but I want this to land on top.
Huh?
You know how we do,
Yeah,
so it's a
swing it
good
on the
minimum
other side.
drop.
Swing your rope on the other side.
Oh yeah, I remember how. He's got it. Don't anybody screwed up.
No, the other way.
Nah.
Alright.
Plan is for the rope to land on top of the tree.
Yeah, I remember. You invented that trick. Well, I'm sure somebody on another planet's doing it too, though.
Yeah.
I see a fish.
I see a fish. Fast.
Swimming slow.
Stand it upright.
Sawdust for lunch.
Or not.
Well, I'll tell you what, the main channel was white capping pretty serious yesterday.
Yeah, wind was out.
That's something. Anybody out in the water?
Saw a lot of bass boats out.
Yeah, there was several.
Yes, sir. We'll probably be there just before 3 o'clock.
Just before 3, okay.
All righty. Thank you.
That sounds good. All right, appreciate it.
Uh-huh. Bye.
Wow, he's gone.
And yep.
Jeff said it's on its head. Stand it upright. There you go. It's a lot easier to untie that way.
Rope tricks. Problem with just letting it drop, you got that much more distance, and then that's shock loads and the rope stretches.
Yep.
So when I push it over the top, it's minimum fall.
Yeah.
You get that sound.
I know, it's hard to.
Eventually, I'll be able to hand pieces down.
I've been to the low water crossing on the Pecos River where there's 10 Comanches and 8 cowboys buried. And more daggum mallard ducks than you can shoot. It was a good year. 84. Yeah. Yeah.
Sketchy.
Okay, here we go.
No, he's gotta move the rope first. Yeah, we're gonna see the knife out.
Right now?
On the bar.
You bet your bippy. Keep going, you'll be able to stand on the handrail.
Yeah. You get a 6 and an 8-foot strap. This one gets to where it's not long enough. That's when we just pull out a section of our old
He
rope.
needs a 6 foot and an 8
That's it,
foot
but-
strap.
Yeah. Well, life's a hard mistress. She'll teach you. Right, Jeff?
Indeed.
There you go.
Oh, this strap might be big enough for this whole tree.
Yeah. Yeah, because the lower you get, the smaller it's getting. Like below your feet is smaller than that one.
Yep. I was looking at that. Plus, after I cut down by my knees, I'll probably be cutting pieces and handing them.
Right.
You have to hand him a jack.
Yeah, because I can't grab them.
Got it.
You got it. All right. You got a plan. What are you gonna do with the hole?
Oh, I'll take it out.
What hole?
Well, once you cut the tree out of there. That's a good 8 foot below that fucking deck.
That's gonna be keeping his hole full.
A little bit.
Yeah, that's what I do. I just cut that thing level with the deck.
Yep.
Jesus will be here before the rest of it rots. I want him to come, but not tonight.
Might have to hold up for a second to let my blanket in there. Sawdust. Hey, we're head level.
Yeah.
So nervous now, huh? I can say I really wasn't nervous.
Don't be scared.
I was just nervous for you.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of heights either, but
That sudden stop at the end really messed you up.
yeah.
Well, I wasn't when I first started. After about 30 years of it, you get scared of heights.
About halfway
After 30
there.
years, you get what?
Scared of heights.
Your
Your knees-
precious damn
Your
teeth
knees
up
start
your face.
shaking.
You don't want to die.
Yeah,
Only got a few years left. I don't
Back
know.
and forth.
yeah.
As
Yeah.
years dwindle down to a precious few.
Ash trees are usually decent about holding in there.
Yeah.
But I mean, your neighbor's tree that fell on his house was an ash tree. But it also was showing signs of white rot at the bottom.
Yeah.
My
Fungus
dad's
got into it and made all the wood soft.
Snow skied almost every day. And
Typically, I'm pretty good about reading trees and
did quit
judging
snow
when I
skiing
shouldn't go up on.
2000
Yeah.
just before 9/11, moved back to Texas. 'Cause
We
my
had,
dad
We turned
So
in
he didn't go on
client,
walks,
had us come back and take down
for
a
about 6 years.
giant
Lost
dead
all his
tree
strength.
that probably top 40 feet of it was leaned over